Hi. Hi, chickens. These are the friends of the dogs. Yes. Yes. Hello. This one is supposed to be the most friendly. That's Bernice. The other ones came. Yes. Hello, Bernice. Hello, are you in the snow, Bernice? Yes. So there's a chicken roster. They have the sign that's posted on the fence. It has all the chickens, and that's Bernice. It says, if you call my name, I may come running over. There's Betty White, Blanche, and Babs. So it looks like Babs is over there, and Betty White. Blanche has a little bit of gray feather, so I don't see where she is. I hope she's okay. Well, they're coming to see the dogs. Do you see them, Moonshadow? Do you like those chickens? Those are your friends. Yes, look at the chickens. Yeah, they like them. They're their friends. Let's see. Do you know where that fourth chicken happens to be? I'm a little worried. Let's see. We found all of the chickens. This is the next day, and they're all together. But okay, there's Stardust. But we were looking for Blanche, the one with the gray on her feathers, and she's on the left. It looks like little Stardust is wanting to get a chicken. But you can see that one right there with the gray on the feathers. I was worried because I didn't know, I didn't know that she was okay. But you can see all of the 4 chickens together. Yep. So this is the next day. Moonshadow does really well with those chickens. Yes, hi. Now, I think that's Bernice there. Bernice has seen the dogs. Oh, look at Bernice coming to see the dogs. Are you coming to see the dogs, Bernice? Look at the chicken, Moonshadow. Look at it's looking at you. Oh, look at Moonshadow. Oh, now Moonshadow sees that chicken. Oh, chicken. Stardust loves chickens. Yes, do you love those chickens? I was gonna tell you a fun fact. One of the chickens has. Oh yes, so that's Blanche with the gray in her feathers. She's a prairie bluebird, and a fun fact about me is once I start laying eggs, they become blue shells. So I like this little roster. Bernice is the most friendly, but Betty White is the one in charge. So they have really fun facts about it. It looks like Blanche, that brown-haired chicken or brown feathered chicken is the youngest. Yep, so I was just gonna say hi and Happy New Year to everybody. And it's a little bit warmer today, and it's nice and sunny, so it's supposed to get into the 30s. So yeah, I just wanted to say hi. Shadow. Oop. Moon Shadow is here. So is Stardust. Where are you? Stardust. Stardust. Come here. Stardust. And then you can see the chickens behind me. You can see her looking at that chicken. It's quite close. Oh, do you like those chickens, Stardust? You watching those chickens, Miss Chicken? Chicken and chicken? Yeah, she loves those chickens. See if you can see a chicken. Oh, the chicken is coming close to the fence. There we go. Oh, it's coming really close. Ooh, ooh, boo. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yep, Stardust is trying to, I think, be friendly with those chickens. Get a better glimpse of a chicken, maybe. You trying to see the chickens? The owner put some feed up against the fence the other day so we could really see the chickens well. That Stardust is kind of climbed up on there. Well, let's say goodbye to all the chickens. There's Bernice and Blanche and Betty White and Babs. Bye.